The best way to minimize stains and wear on your fabric furniture is to protect it with an upholstery protector to keep it looking fresh and beautiful for years to come. Upholstery protectors are powerful stain repellent treatments which protect each individual fibre from absorbing stains and spills. Selecting the correct upholstery protector to protect your furniture is crucial, as each product caters to a different fabric or fibre. There are two main types of fabric protectors. Firstly, solvent-based protector, such as the Fabric Shield SV, and then water-based protectors such as the Fibre Shield RTU. The main difference being in what fibres they are compatible with. Solvent-based protectors are designed for dry clean fabrics only. This includes fabrics such as cotton, jute, linen and other natural fibres. They are best applied when the fabric is new or when the fabric is entirely dry. On the other hand, water-based protectors are designed for fabrics that are water cleanable, such as wool, polyester, nylon, polypropylene, and other such synthetic materials. Unlike solvent protectors, they can be applied on fabrics which have been recently cleaned and are still damp. In fact, it is preferred that they are. Spray the protector 25 to 30 centimeters away from the upholstery using a smooth back and forth motion, overlapping slightly. Fabric should be wetted, do not over apply. Brush with a soft brush to spread the protector evenly. Align fabric and speed dry.